What it do, crew, and welcome back to another video. So today I'm doing the unboxing of the Explorer Air 2 Cricut machine, and I'm also doing an unboxing of the Heat Press 2, which is the more updated one. It's the 9x9, but I'll unbox that later. So first I'm going to start with the Cricut Explorer Air 2. I'm going to show you guys how the box looks. So this is the back of the box, and I like how they go into detail of everything about the machine. So that's really handy dandy. So now that I've opened the box, this is all that it comes with it. But this is something that I bought off of Amazon. It's the basic tool set, and it's mint color, just like the machine. And it comes with scissors. It comes with some scrape thingy. It comes with some tweezers. It also comes with a spatula to help with it, and it comes with like a little pointy thing. I forgot what it's called, but that's all that comes with that. Next in this box, we have just the basic instructions. So once you open this up, don't mind my onesie. It's Christmas holiday season, so decided why not. So once you open it, this is basically what you need to follow to set up the Cricut. Step 1, step 2. I'll do that in another video. This is the welcome. And then this is the book. It's pretty. And it just has a welcome page, what's in it, just different designs. And final is this. They provided 2 cardstocks to practice on, and they also provided a big cardstock to practice on. Next we have a mat. You can see the silver on it. Got the flat and the sticky. This is just a really big mat for measuring. And lastly, we have this. So I'm going to take this out and see you guys back. So under the box, we have a cord, and this cord connects to the thing. Next, we have a power adapter. And lastly, at the bottom, we have the Cricut pen. Now it's time for the unveiling of the Cricut. Move this away. This is how it looks, and we'll open it after. So now we are going to be unboxing the Heat Press 2. I'm going to try to show you guys around the box. Again, this is the 9x9, so this is like their medium size one. And this is the side and also the back, which also gives details about it. As you can see, And yeah, so now we are going to get straight into opening it. First thing that comes out, let's do this. Got a sticker in the back. Gently rip off the sticker. To register my product. And then we have in here as well. Next we have the booklets. Just talks about different designs. The thing all over again. Instructions. How to turn it on. And everything like that. Next we have a quick start. So we have a quick start guide. Ooh, practice vinyl. And of course, safety instructions. This is what comes out. So first thing we have is this iron mat. Iron mat. We'll move on to this. So when you open this up, it's inside. So I will slowly and this is the easy press. The bottom, it has cardboard. Maybe that's it. So the first thing that I have is a portable trimmer, and I'm going to use this to like cut vinyl more precisely instead of using just straight scissors, and make it look more clean for the straps that I'm going to use. So I just thought it was okay to get a portable trimmer. So this is me taking it out, and just to show you guys how compact it is. It's not as small, but it's not as big either. So it can cut a decent size of vinyl if you wanted to. And it's pretty sharp, so just gotta be real careful. And it has a stopper in the middle for safety reasons. So next we have a brayer, and I thought I needed this because it keeps the vinyl clean without fingerprints all over it. So as you can see from these pictures, you just roll on the vinyl to the mat, the sticky mat, and it helps not create air bubbles and not let the vinyl crease. So yeah, there's that. Next I have Telfar sheets. So these sheets are like to put on top of the clothing or anything that you're using the heat press with, just to make sure you don't burn the vinyl. So like after you take off the plastic, after heat pressing it, you just put this over if you want to heat press it again, and it helps protect the fabric and the vinyl, both of them at the same time. So now I'm going to get into my vinyl. So this is the first vinyl that I have. It's just transfer tape, which you need to transfer the vinyl onto any surface. And I'm going to use this to transfer vinyl to my lip gloss tubes or any other tubes that I want to do. So I got permanent glossy white vinyl, and this is the vinyl that I'm going to use to label my lip gloss tubes, which I would include in a later video. And this is the 12" by 48", which I think is enough space. And yeah, you can see it's white. So now I'm going to the vinyl I'm using for my iron-ons. So I got infusible ink, the sky blue color, and it comes with two 12x12 transfer sheets. I got this because the blue iron-on color that I really wanted, it was sold out, so I got infusible ink. And it's also good anyways because infusible ink is more stretchy, like for socks and stuff, so I'm just going to use it for my hoodies and shirts or whatever. So iron-on or infusible ink, either or is still good. And as you can see, it's like not as a color on the box, but in the box it tells you it comes off pale, but then when you peel it off, it goes exactly out the color. So there's that, and I'm really excited to use that color. So now this one is an everyday iron-on called Twilight. This is the black I'm going to use for my shirts. I'm not using a lot of colors for now. I'm just starting off with just minimal shirts, which you will see in my next video in my inventory haul. But this is the Twilight. I had to see if it was really black because it looks kind of purple, but it's actually black off camera. And yeah, so that's the Twilight one. And the next one that I got is also an everyday iron-on vinyl, and it's just plain white. So I just got black, white, and sky blue iron-on vinyl, and just white vinyl for my tubes. So those are all the vinyls that I got. So lastly, I got the Easy Press mat, and this is mandatory when getting the heat press. This is for you to not burn your surface that you're putting your clothing on, and just to protect your clothing, your surfaces, the heat press, and everything. So I'm going to take it out to show you guys how big it is. I got one that's bigger than my heat press because my heat press is 9x9, so I think this is like 12x12. And yeah, so you see it can protect, and that's the last thing that I got. Hey guys, that is all for this video, and I hope you guys tune in to the next video that I will have, including my inventory haul and updated business, as well as how I am going to set up and use both of these devices, the Cricut Explore Air 2, as well as the Heat Press 2, and that is all that I'm going to show. So hope you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that post notification bell, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.